So, kakagising ka lang guys. So, what the tang do? So, today we're gonna eat some ramen. Yan, manood kayo. Ano ka? Yan! This is the packet sauce. Okay, maybe that's enough. Let's just put it out. Not gonna waste some little drops. Because this bitch is so mahal. Mahal niya, te. So, not even a single drop is gonna be waste. Okay, there we go. Diyan ka muna. The powder. Put all the powder in. Throw this to your mouth. Sure. Okay. Let's make it sarap. Okay. Sweet. You can even smell it. Kaya may hindi ako mag-ganyan. Hindi ko alam bakit. Oh my god, the powder. Okay. First bite for you guys. First bite. It's hot. Good. Sweet. Little spice. You know? Okay, that's all. Bye.